Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will go through lead mining feature in Odoo 18 CRM, which is used to automatically generate new business leads. Lead mining is a feature where Odoo helps us find potential customers from its external database based on our business requirements. Instead of manually searching for companies, Odoo does the work for us and provides ready to contact leads. How this will work, just we shall go through it now. We need to navigate into the CRM body, into that configuration. Into that, we can see the lead generation section here. Here, into that section, we can see lead mining request. We will just go through that. This. Here, if I click on create a new lead mining request, what does it consist? It is the name of this lead mining request. And how many leads would you like? Here we specify the number of leads or the companies we want. Like at present it is of 3. This helps control the budget and quality over quantity approach. Next, there is a targeting criteria called as the countries here. Here I selected India, means Odoo will generate leads only for this generation. Next, the state, we can pick a state here. Let's pick Andhra Pradesh here. We can narrow down further to specific location if required. Next, the industries. We can select the industries. Like for example, now let me select the software and services. This helps target specific business sectors. And this ensures leads are relevant to our business. Next, filter on size. Here is a checkbox. We can define company size like small businesses, medium companies, large enterprises. Next, at the right side, we can see the assignment and configuration part. The first one is the type. Let it be leads only here. This means that these will be created as raw leads, not opportunities yet. Next, the sales team. Here I assign the leads to the specific team like the sales. There are many teams here. We can specify according to the requirement. Next, there is a salesperson. Let it be virtual admin here. Leads are directly assigned to the user. Next, the default tag. We can add a tag like lead mining or anything the tag which we have created. Yes, let me click on the submit here. Yes, here we can see your request did not return any result, like no credits were used. Try remove some filters. What happens when I click submit? We will go through that. Odoo sends this request to its database. It collects matching companies based on our criteria and automatically creates lead records in CRM, assigns them to the selected salesperson. These leads will appear directly in the pipeline ready for the action. And for instance now, as there is no any leads which are present which is matching for this, so it's showing us this as your request did not return any result. Like try removing some filters. Why this is important? Like lead mining is useful because it saves time spent on manual research, provides verified and structured leads, helps the sales team focus on selling instead of searching, and improves overall efficiency and pipeline growth. This is how the lead mining requests are generated in Odoo 18.